Okay, I have a question for you. If you came to this country legally on a visitor's visa and you overstay your time, can your sister that hold a U.S. citizen file for you?
She can file for you, but unless you're grandfathered under 245I, which means that you had an provable case file before April 30th, 2001, you're not going to get your green card here, and if you go back home, you have a 10-year bar. Now, that still doesn't mean that your sister shouldn't file for you. She should put in something for you because you worry about what the law is in a couple of years from now, probably be different than it is today. But just know that unless you did have something filed before April 30th, 2001, it may or may not work out for you depending on the grandfathering clause of 245I, whether you qualify under that or not, and what happens with the laws moving forward. But if you're asking me, should you do something or should you do nothing, do something, not do nothing.
Absolutely.
Like now, and how long would it take?
I didn't hear the first part because...
I just want to know if it's a possibility, that
I'm gonna say the answer again. I don't know whether you're grandfathered under 245I. You should come into my office to see if you are.
Right.
Okay? That means that you had to have a bona fide application filed before April 30th, 2001. If you did not and you overstayed under the current law, it is not a possibility. But that still doesn't mean that you should not do nothing. You should file for something because I'm telling you that it is not a possibility today on November 15th, 2010. On November 16th, 2010, it may become a possibility, or it may become a possibility on November 16th, 2011, meaning that immigration laws change. So if you're asking me, should you do something or do nothing, the answer is do something.
Absolutely.
File it. Worry about what the law will be years down the line from now. If you're still unsure exactly what I'm talking about, because it is a complicated situation. I can't go through on each individual call that comes in, whether you're grandfathered under 245I or not. It's an impossibility without me meeting with you for 10, 15 minutes. What you should do is you should come in and speak with me.
Absolutely.
Okay, another quick question. I'm not going to be long.
That was not a quick question, but we'll give you two long questions.
Why do people always say a quick question?
No, never quick, but
all
okay.
Right. Go ahead.
She's a nice lady.
For a sister overseas.
How do you file for a sister overseas?
File an I-130 visa petition.
And it takes how long, Brad?
Right now, they're backed up 8 years, but my guess is it's 5 to 6 years.
There you go. All right, ma'am?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Okay, thank you.